is my X22 with a YZ250 on it, 2-stroke dirt bike motor. Managed to get both radiators in there and the huge exhaust. I still got to put the cover on up here to hide the wiring. But all the body panels and frame has been double and triple coated in Dynomat to stop the vibration. I had to weld a ton of supports onto the nose because it would flex like crazy. So there's actually extra supports that run under there and tie to the frame. Had to cut the fairing out for the belly pipe. A lot of welding and fabrication done on this thing. It's got a new top end in it too. I just put that in. The actual bike only has 145 miles on it, but that was with the old engine. Had to put a steering stabilizer on it. This thing gets a little scary and squirrely. How light the front end is. Alright, I'll start it up real quick. Now let's test drive real quick.